Hello guys, in this video I will explain you how you can use our app. For example, how you can download the free study material, how you can join ISRO batches for mechanical or ECE if you are mechanical or ECE student, okay, and how you can use our chat for the discussion or asking any doubt, okay. So I will explain these things. Okay, so first I will start with the batch, how you can join the batch. So here you can see the on the above, here it is free study material and below this is send join request. यानी कि अगर आप कोई भी बैच में ज्वाइन नहीं हो, if you are not added to any batch yet, then it will show here that you can join, you can send the join request. Okay, so there is two method. You can directly click from here, or otherwise you can click here on the batches and then click here on the plus point. Okay, if you click here you will ask for batch code. So batch code is ISRO map for the ISRO mechanical. If you are mechanical student for ISRO, then you can fill batch code here ISRO map. Okay, and you can send OK button. Okay, so successfully request sent. So whenever whenever I will open my app, okay, so here from here I'll accept your batch request. Okay, so after approval you can able to refresh and batch will be shown here. If you are electronic student, then you can write the batch code as ISRO EC. Okay, here you can write as ISRO EC and click on OK, then successfully send request. Okay, so from here you can send the batch request like this. So after approval of batch request from my side, the batch will be appeared here. Okay, you can refresh here from. Okay, so you can check out what are there in batch. Okay, let's see. So first of all, 2-3 things are not useful for you, like attendance, assignment, announcement. Here is test. So when you click here on the test, all the tests are given will be appeared here. Okay, so you can attempt all the tests. Mainly daily quiz will be uploaded daily, started from at the 6 a.m. okay, 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. okay, the result will be updated at the 11 p.m. daily. Okay, so in this way you can attempt test. You can also see various type of videos here in this section, and you will able to see the attend the live class whenever it is scheduled. Okay, you will be informed. Similarly, in the electronics batch you can attempt the same daily test here, and you can see the videos here. Okay, so in this way you can use the batch for your preparation. Okay, so second thing is how can you download the free study material. So you can click here. Okay, and from clicking here you will see the folder. Okay, what are the folder here? First one is ISRO TA previous year paper. Okay, I can sort it according to the name. So first one is only here you will get the ISRO TA paper. First one is mechanical, where you can get all mechanical papers, and here all electronics paper. Okay, and second one is other than ISRO exam, remaining exam papers. Okay, so in this way you can download these papers from here. And third one is handwritten notes. Okay, you can download handwritten notes for all the subjects. Okay, so you can more things will be uploaded here. Okay, so from here you get the idea of free study material. Now now let me show you the chat here. Okay, so if you join ISRO mechanical group, you will able to see the chat, group chat here. Okay, so from here you can see the chat. If you are in ISRO electronics group, you can see the electronics chat. You can also send me the personal chat. Okay, so from here I think you have got the idea about the basic thing about our app. And one more thing will be added here later in this week. Okay, so I hope you get the idea of using this app. Thanks for watching.